Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting compact camera upgrades of the year, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. If you're a vlogger, a traveler, a filmmaker, or simply someone who loves capturing life in the best possible way, this device is going to impress you. We're going to talk about its new upgrades, the design changes, the camera improvements, the AI features, its expected price, and the release date. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the real truth behind the Osmo Pocket 4. DJI has kept the classic Pocket design intact, but this year, everything feels more refined. The Osmo Pocket 4 brings a more ergonomic grip, a slightly larger body for better heat management, stronger gimbal motors, a brighter touchscreen with improved touch response. It still fits perfectly in your pocket, but now it feels like a premium mini camera made for serious creators. The biggest upgrade this year is the new camera sensor. DJI has stepped things up with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, larger dynamic range, better low light performance, improved color science. This means cleaner videos, sharper details, and more natural skin tones even in tricky lighting conditions. The Osmo Pocket 4 now competes directly with compact professional cameras. DJI finally brings 6,000 recording to the Osmo Pocket series. Here are the recording modes: 6,000 at 30 fps, 4,000 at 12 fps, 108p at 4 fps for ultra slow motion, new 10-bit D-Logom and HLG HDR modes. This is a huge leap for creators who want cinematic footage straight out of a pocket-sized camera. The mechanical 3-axis gimbal is now stronger, faster, and more accurate. DJI has improved wind resistance, motion tracking, horizon balancing. The new ActiveTrack 7.0 is smoother, more intelligent, and locks onto moving subjects with incredible precision. Whether you're running, biking, or shooting handheld at night, this thing keeps your footage unbelievably stable. One of the most impressive upgrades is DJI's AI processing. The new Osmo Pocket 4 includes AI face tracking, automatic color grading suggestions, sound enhancement with wind reduction, AI-powered scene recognition, built-in editing templates for quick social media posts. Even beginners can create professional-looking videos with almost zero effort. The built-in microphones are upgraded with better directional clarity, reduced background noise, higher dynamic range, improved voice isolation. DJI wants this device to replace small vlogging, and the audio improvements definitely help achieve that. The battery has also improved. Longer recording time, faster charging with USB-C PD, better thermal management so it doesn't overheat during long shoots. You can now record 4K for extended periods without worrying about shutdowns. DJI has introduced new optional accessories for the Pocket 4: wireless microphone add-on, magnetic ND filters, tripod mount, wide-angle lens, a compact carrying case, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built-in module. This makes the Osmo Pocket 4 a complete mini filmmaking kit. DJI is expected to officially launch the Osmo Pocket 4 in late 2025. The company has been testing prototypes, and leaks suggest the product is ready for mass production. According to industry insiders, the expected price is $499 for the standard package, $649 for the creator combo. This places it right between casual consumer gear and semi-professional equipment. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? Absolutely. It offers a massive jump in sensor size, image quality, stabilization, recording options, AI improvements, audio clarity, and all of this in a camera that you can slip into your pocket. If you're a traveler, content creator, photographer, or someone starting a YouTube channel, the Osmo Pocket 4 can easily become your main camera.